Hi everyone, I hope you are all well, had a fantastic Christmas if you are celebrating, and in today's video I'm going to share my master bathroom with you. I hope you enjoy. My color scheme was determined when I bought this gorgeous pink weighing scale from Aldi, and this is a newly built house and I chose these monochromatic tiles so I could inject any color that I wanted at a later stage, and the weighing scales really made me decide that it should be pink. I wanted luxurious spa feel to it and added decor details to achieve the look. For a cohesive look, I made sure that even my bath bombs were the right color for this room. I already had this textured glass shelf from Homebase from my other house. I didn't have any use for it in this house, so I thought it would be perfect shelf for this bath as the shower water doesn't reach this far and the tap is in the middle, so I rest my head on the other side whenever I'm having a bath. So it's perfect place and I don't have to move anything when I'm having shower or bath. The glass jars are from HomeSense and I put Epsom salt in one of them and bath bombs in the other one, and this jar full of dry flowers are from Canada. My son's girlfriend brought to us and is perfect addition to my spa inspired bath. I chose black tiles for the floor and I brightened them up with lighter color mats. The candle holders belong to my mom and I love seeing them every time I come into this room. The stones are for hot stone treatment. I never use it for it, but it's perfect addition for spa inspired bathroom. The faux plants are from eBay and the glass Christmas tree that I produce in a workshop in our school. This mirror cabinet is from IKEA and is very spacious. I added small Christmas tree on top of it for a festive look. I made this abstract artwork to tie everything in and I used all the colors that is in the room. The silver gilding gave a glam feel to it as well. As you know, I really love glam sparkly stuff, and @shulalat art is my art account on Instagram if you're interested. I bought the white tree last year during Christmas sale and I paid £1 for it and matched it with a pair of pink candle holders from HomeSense. I added candles to cozy up the space and the room is filled with beautiful scents. I love Olay products from Scottish Fine Soap Company. They are all from HomeSense and they are perfectly matching to my black and white tiles. This little mirror tray is from HomeSense along with the towel set, and they are perfect for my style and the color scheme. It was set of 4 but I couldn't fit the white one in the tray, so instead I use it on the glass shelf. The soap dispenser is from DKNY range, Luna Karen, and the monochrome pattern is perfect for the room. This gorgeous box is from HomeSense and I hide my wet wipes in it, and it's usually an eyesore, and this way it looks still beautiful. Halfway through the recording, I remember that I bought this lantern from eBay and it's perfect pink color, perfect shade for this room, so I added that as well. And this is how my bathroom looks during the daytime. And this is how it looks when I'm having a bath in the dark with all these cozy candle lights. I hope you enjoyed the video and found it inspirational for your own spaces. If you did, please subscribe to my channel so I can continue to inspire you more. Until next time, bye bye.